you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some products to show you from Tamed Wild. Do you want to see what they sent me? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Tamed Wild sent me some products so I can review and show you a few things that they have to offer from their website. I do buy the wild crystal box that I do bring to my channel to show you guys, and they were kind enough to send me a few more goodies to show you different things that they have to offer. Because on their website, it's not just subscription boxes. They have so many different items that you can purchase directly from their site. I've bought products from them. I've even bought their mystery boxes. I've bought little bags to put my chakra sets in. I think I even got one of my decks from them. So they have so many different things that you can check out on their website. I will link them down below. You can definitely go and check out everything that they have to offer. Plus they have all their subscription boxes. They have the Tamed Wild box. They have the Surprise Wild box. They have the Wild Crystal box that I get. And they also even now have a tea subscription that you can get from them. So definitely the link will be down below. You can check out everything that they have to offer from their website directly. But let's go ahead and dive in here and see what they sent me. So there's 2 books. So let's go over these. This first one says Honoring the Masculine, Book of the Gods, Tamed Wild. So this must be, oh, so there's the outside. Let me show you. Look how pretty. Look at the artwork. And then the back, really, really pretty artwork. I love that. Okay, so then inside, I guess this is gonna go over all of the different gods, since this is a book of the gods. So yes, this goes over all of the different gods. It tells you all about them, so you can read up all about them. Ooh, I can't wait to sit down and actually read all of this. This is so cool. That is so cool. Look at that. And I love all of the different artistry. So there is a book of the gods. Now we have, ooh, this is a book of the goddesses. That is so cool. Look how pretty. I love those colors. And then look at the back. That is so pretty. So now we have a book of all of the goddesses. Yes, goddess. So this is gonna go over all of the different goddesses, and you can learn about them, read up on them. Ooh, look how pretty. Oh my gosh. I love all the artwork. Look. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. There's that. I love all these colors. Ooh. That is awesome. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to sit down and read both of these so I get to learn about the gods and the goddesses. That's so perfect. They did send me a crystal, and oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at that. And look, it's blues, my favorite colors. That is so pretty. Wow, and it's so smooth and soft, and that is just gorgeous. I love that. And I like all the different layers, the different colors, and that is so pretty. Ooh, I love that. Okay. Then we have a Wild Moon Lunar Phase deck. Ooh, see, I have the moon phase tattooed on me. So this is the Lunar Phase deck by Tamed Wild. Let me go ahead and get this open so we can see what this is all about. See, all this stuff, you guys, you can purchase directly from their site. So this is just a little glimpse of what you can find on there. So now without the glare, look how pretty. And then this shiny font. And then the back. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Take that off. Okay, so what it says on the first card on top, it says Wild Moon Lunar Phase Deck. Welcome to the Wild Moon deck, created by Tamed Wild. The cards you are holding in your hands are curated to guide you through the phases of our moon, beginning with the new moon. Each one is intended to shine some light on the night and provide insight into each day of the moon's cycle. Use them as a tool of guidance as you navigate the moons and life. We are honored to be a part of your journey. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so then this next card is all about the author. You get to read all about the author. Now it starts with the new moon, sacred darkness, the phase, the history, the ritual, the crystal, and the mantra. I am a conduct. These answers I seek flow through me. So this goes over everything that you need to know about the new moon, and then look at the back. So then here's one of the dark moon. There's a dark moon, scared stillness, dark moon, scared possibility, crescent moon, empowered intent, waxing crescent, empowered awareness, waxing crescent, empowered regeneration, waxing crescent, empowered ambition, first quarter moon, confident action, waxing quarter, waxing quarter, waxing quarter, balsamic moon, crescent moon, waxing crescents, dark moon. This literally goes over all of the moons. All of the different phases of the moons are all in these cards right here. So I'm so excited to learn more about them. I mean, I do have some of the, the phase on my arm. So I'm really, really excited to actually sit down, read all of these cards, and learn about all of the different moons, what they represent, the rituals, the history, the crystal for each one, and what the mantra is for each individual moon phase. That is amazing. And they're all numbered, so if you get them out of order, it's 1 through 28. And oh my goodness. And then the artistry on the cards is just beautiful. Like they're pretty, yeah. They go through all the different phases. Wow, that is so cool. That is awesome. So you guys, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of what they sent me? We got the moon phases, which again, that is so awesome that they sent me this, because I just got this and I'm so interested in learning everything about the moon phases. So this was actually perfect. So I got this amazing crystal, and then a book to learn about the gods and the goddesses. So what did you guys think of all these items that they had sent? And have you checked out their website before? Have you purchased anything from Tamed Wild? Again, I've already bought stuff from their store directly. I'm currently getting the Wild Crystal subscription box. I did purchase a one-time Tamed Wild box, so I can show you what's inside that one to know if I should upgrade to that one or keep the other or keep both. I don't know, but I really love getting these boxes. I love learning all about the spirituality. I love learning about the different crystals, the cards. I mean, I have oracle cards, I have tarot cards, and I can't wait to actually sit down and learn how to use them, what they mean. I'm like so intrigued by all of this stuff, and I just can't wait to start having time to actually learn everything. Just learning the chakras, the chakra system. My next tattoo, I was kind of thinking of getting the chakra system. I have room right here on the top of my arm even. I don't know. I want to fill something in right here. If you guys have any suggestions of what to put there. I mean, I have a locket and a key on this side, which kind of throws off this, but I want to do something up here. I want to tie this all into one little piece, and I don't know what to put here. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I would love to hear it. So yeah, this is what I received. And thank you so much, Tamed Wild, for sending me these products to review. I am loving what they sent me this time. This goes perfect with me, especially with this moon phases card deck. And I can't wait to learn about the gods and the goddesses. So, and I'm glad I got both, not just one. They sent me both so I can read about both of them. So that is amazing. So thank you again for sending me this for review. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you all for tuning in and watching this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly appreciate it. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.